at the bottom of this.
Are you going to play that? You could play that as
closing music. Oh, look at this.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, it's a lovely whatever color.
That looks classy.
Now that one's a completely different color. Must have had more moonshine juice on it.
Pretty sweet.
Have I poured it relatively evenly?
Relatively. You're not bad. You're getting good at this.
Yeah, well, I'm a professional bartender. Now, for some reason, that one cherry floats.
Yeah,
that one's turned.
Yes.
Or it's not a witch.
That is strange, isn't
Yeah.
it?
Because if that was an egg,
Yeah.
that would be the one that you wouldn't want to have. Yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm assuming that it's got an air pocket in it.
Yeah, let's assume that.
If the Titanic...
yeah, had an air pocket, it wouldn't have sunk.
Alrighty. Well, I'll take the floating one just in case it is bad.
Oh, well, you're a gentleman and a scholar. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. And so we've got a little red guy at the bottom, or halfway up, or at the very top if you're my drink. Maybe I can force it back down.
Yeah.
No, that wine floats.
No, it's a floater.
Interesting.
We got a floater.
Army and Navy, Air Force, Marines. What was that? That was the old ad to get people to join up. Now this, you know what's refreshing about this is if you took a picture of those two together, actually, Freddie.
Yeah.
Then we actually see that for once we haven't made a drink that is yellow and or amber.
Yeah, that's right.
It's definitely a whitish drink and a bluish drink.
Yeah, we've got some variety here, folks.
To you at home.